how to make coleslaw for pulled pork sandwiches, and more. Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Alright, to get started, we're going to use 1/2 of a standard size green cabbage and 1/4 of a small red cabbage, along with 2 peeled carrots. I'm going to be using this nice little mandolin here. It makes things super easy. I've got it on the lowest setting. I picked this bad boy up at a nice garage sale for $3. Make sure you look online with Facebook Marketplace. I'm sure you'll be able to find something there. And if not, and you've never had a mandolin, give it a try. Now, I'm not going to go too close to these blades because they're super sharp. I'm going to leave this extra and cut it up later. But look how great this mandolin shreds this cabbage so fast. I'm going to put this in the bowl, and we're going to keep on trucking to cut up the rest of this cabbage. Now, the other 1/4, we're going to do the same thing. And again, keep your fingers in the right place. And make sure as soon as you get to a point where you feel uncomfortable using this mandolin, just stop. You can cut the rest of it by hand. Use the mandolin for what it's used for, and then move on to cutting manually. But look at this. Look at this shred. It would take me forever to cut it this small. All right, we're going to add that in the bowl, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the other 1/4. Doing the same thing. Now, here's what I'm talking about. When you've got those pieces that you feel uncomfortable cutting with the mandolin, just take your knife, just like this. Nice small cuts. Use your left hand as a barrier so that the knife doesn't go too far, and use your right cutting hand to just slowly slice away. It's very simple. If your pieces are too big, just fold them in half and just keep on slicing. All right, now this mandolin has this new feature that I've been reading about, and I've been really excited to try it out. It's a julienne side, and what it does is it pulls these blades up, and then you slide your carrot along this way, just like so. And it makes these little cuts. And one little cut I'd like you to make is a little cut on that subscribe button. Make sure to click on that bad boy so that you get updates whenever we have new videos come out. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be one of the first to see our show. All right, we're getting back onto this carrot, julienning away. And the reason that I left the top on is so that I have something to grab onto. You can do the same. And look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Just simply amazing. All right, we're doing this really quick. Now, I know we've sped up the time on this, but you know how long it would take to cut your carrots up like this. Take your time, get a mandolin, find a used one. They're great. And then you can make yourself a wonderful coleslaw just like this. Now, we're going to go ahead and stir this all together. Make sure that the carrots and the beautiful purple cabbage are nicely mixed in with that green to give it a beautiful color. The red cabbage has a little bit more sweetness to it, but it's also a little firmer. It's great. All right, moving on to the next step. We're going to go ahead and take a 1/4 cup of our sour cream and add it to our mixing bowl. Then we're going to take a 1/2 cup of buttermilk and add that as well. Our dressing is going to need 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to need about a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of fresh ground Himalayan salt and pepper. 1 teaspoon of each. And we'll grind that in just like so. Very simple. And then we're going to stir the bejesus out of this bad boy. Just keep on going. Go, 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 go. I'm not going to make you watch, but we're going to ask you to go ahead and do your tasting. Make sure everything is delicious. We're going to go ahead and pull our coleslaw or our sliced cabbage out of the refrigerator. And then we're going to go ahead and pour this wondrous sauce that we've had chilling in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to set up. And stir, 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 stir. The idea behind this is that you're going to want to get that dressing all over each small morsel of this salad. Making sure that you didn't put too much because you don't want it to be watery, but just enough to give it that creamy texture. I had a little bit left over in the bowl, and I had some dry spots, so I'm just going to add the rest of this dressing in and just make this a perfect salad. Now it's been mixing for a while. Let me show you what it looks like here. Oh, look at that. Now this doesn't just have to be on pulled pork. You can have this as a side dish. I made this for my family for our barbecue. We have a pulled pork video coming up. Make sure to subscribe so that you can see that. But look at this plate. Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but helps our channel a lot. I'd also like to thank each and every one of you who've been sharing our videos on social media. It's been driving a lot of traffic our way, and we truly appreciate it.